Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the circuit safe. Turn off the light switch and flip the breaker, then verify with a non-contact tester. Once done, set a stable ladder and put on gloves so glass won't slip. Look closely at the cover edge to identify screws, clips, bayonet slots, or spring catches. This tells you the removal method. You'll begin by removing any visible screws or loosening trim clips. Do this slowly so you don't strip fasteners or crack the shade. You now support the cover to prevent a drop, using one hand while you work with the other. For bayonet fittings, press inward and rotate. For spring clips, depress the clip and lower the shade. For screws, turn counterclockwise until free. If paint or adhesive bonds the trim, score the seam with a utility knife to break the seal, and then pry gently with a flat tool. As you remove it, keep fingers clear of bulb and wiring. A helper can steady the ladder. You finish by setting the cover on a padded surface and inspecting it for damage so you can clean before reinstalling. Reattach in reverse order, align tabs, engage bayonet twists or compress springs, and tighten screws just snug. Avoid over-torquing, which can crack glass. Make sure power stays off until bulbs and cover are secure. If the cover won't budge, check again for hidden screws or set screws, then apply a small amount of penetrating spray.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.